Hello and welcome to my channel Blue Chip Finance. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you think that these videos are beneficial for you. My name is Iftikhar Ali and in this video I will discuss with you about the formula number 4 of estimation. So in formula number 4 of estimation and estimation for confidence interval for population mean mu large sample where n is greater than 30 and sigma unknown without replacement. अच्छा, इस फार्मूला के अंदर ये है एक कंडीशन तो ये है जी कि सैंपल साइज जो है वो ग्रेटर देन 30 हो और इसके अंदर पॉपुलेशन की जो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन है वो अननोन है। सिग्मा रिप्रेजेंट करता है पॉपुलेशन की स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन को और विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट का मतलब ये है कि इसमें पॉपुलेशन साइज भी गिवन है और जब भी पॉपुलेशन साइज गिवन होगा तो जैसे फार्मूला नंबर 2 के अंदर भी हमने डिस्कस किया था उसके अंदर सिग्मा नोन था और विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट था। इसके अंदर सिग्मा अननोन है और ये विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट है और इसके अंदर जिस वक्त पॉपुलेशन साइज गिवन होगा तो हम फार्मूला के अंदर एडिशन कर लेंगे अपर केस एन माइनस लोअर केस एन डिवाइड बाय अपर केस एन माइनस 1 अंडर रूट। अपर केस एन represents the population size, lower case n represents the sample size, s represents here the sample standard deviation, and z alpha by 2 is the tabulated value and x bar is the sample mean. So here we are going to take one example to understand this. Government wants to estimate the average income of persons located in low income area of a certain city. There are 1300 persons in the area out of which sample of 150 persons is selected. So 1300 is your population, uppercase n will be 1300 and sample size is 150, so lowercase n is 150. The mean income is $70, so x bar will be 70 and sample standard deviation is 12, so s will be 12. Calculate 95% confidence interval for population mean. So first of all, after locating the data, the next step is to calculate the alpha value. So confidence interval is 95%. So alpha will be equals to 1 minus 0.95, that is equals to 0.05, and alpha by 2 will be equals to 0.025 and 1 minus 0.025 1 minus 0.025 here first of all we will calculate that what is 1 minus 0.025. 1 minus 0.025 is equal to 0.975. So we locate 0.975 in the Z distribution table and here 0.975 is here 0.97500. So what is the row number? Row number is 1.9 and it is exact value. So what is the column number where the value is located? Column number 6. So your tabulated value will be 1.96. So Z alpha by 2 is 1.96. Now next step is just to put up all these values into the formula. एक दफ़ा प्लस करेंगे, एक दफ़ा माइनस करेंगे. So x bar is 70 plus Z alpha by 2 is 1.96. Sample standard deviation is 12 and sample size is 150 and population size is 1300 minus 150 divided by 1300 minus 1. So 70 plus 1.8069 equals to 71.8069. It is the upper range for population parameter mu and for lower range 70 minus 1.8069 will be equals to 68.1931. So population mean mu will be located within this range. So that is the end of this question. So thank you very much. Soon I will come with the formula number 5. Take care of yourself, stay blessed and take care of the persons around you.